Imagine earning up to $1,500 per day from Google News. Yes, that's right, we're talking about Google News. In this video today, we're going to uncover a truly fascinating one: the art of making money online without selling a single product or running any form of advertisement. Astonished? Well, you really should be. This unconventional yet highly effective method leverages the immense power and reach of Google News. Contrary to what you might think, you don't need to be an award-winning journalist or a technology expert to make this work. All that this method entails is the simple task of rewriting articles that you can easily find on this platform. You're probably thinking, is it really that straightforward? And the answer is yes. Yes, it is. However, as with any other business venture or money-making endeavor, it does require a certain level of understanding and strategic planning. There will be challenges, but overcoming them is what makes it all the more rewarding. So, what exactly do you need to do? How do you get started? What are the steps that you need to take in order to start earning with Google News? These are just a few of the questions that you might have in mind, and we're here to answer all of them. However, before we delve deeper into this topic, there is one thing you need to do. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. By doing so, you'll never miss out on our future videos that are filled with useful information just like this one. The key to this method is rewriting. But what does rewriting mean in this context? Rewriting in this particular context involves the creative reimagining of an existing piece of content to give a fresh, unique, and engaging outlook. It's not merely about copying and pasting, it's the subtle art of making the content truly your own, while not straying too far from the original message. You could choose to do this manually, allowing yourself the freedom to infuse your unique voice and style into the content. Although this manual method can be time-consuming, it is also an avenue to refine your writing skills and develop a distinct voice. Alternatively, if you're seeking a more efficient approach, there are various resources available to expedite the process. Spinbot.com, for instance, is a free online tool that offers automatic content rewriting. This tool substitutes words with appropriate synonyms and alters sentence structures to create distinct content. It's a convenient, quick, and user-friendly option. However, it's essential to thoroughly review the results to ensure the rewritten content maintains its original meaning and coherence. Grammarly, another excellent tool, functions as a digital writing assistant. It helps you guarantee that your content is free of grammatical errors and typos. It's a must-have tool for every writer, enabling you to produce high-quality content, whether you're rewriting or creating from scratch. Combining manual rewriting with these tools can result in content that is both unique and engaging. Exploring and mastering the art of rewriting can open up new avenues for you can potentially provide a steady stream of income, while also allowing you to flex and build your creative muscles. Rewriting can be an exciting, rewarding, and lucrative endeavor when done right. Let's move on to the next step. Now that you understand the concept of rewriting, it's time to delve into the mechanics of how to harness this skill to generate income. The path towards creating a profitable venture from your rewrites hinges upon the correct selection of articles from Google News. The crux lies in opting for articles that not only resonate with your unique writing style and preferred subjects but are also trending and much sought after by readers. A popular topic can traverse a wide range of genres, encompassing everything from the intriguing world of technology to the glitz and glamour of fashion, the complexity of politics to the allure of entertainment. The essence of this undertaking lies in the identification of a topic that you can meaningfully contribute to with your distinctive viewpoint. Following the selection of your articles, you embark on the challenging yet rewarding endeavor of rewriting these. This process may initially appear overwhelming, but bear in mind that rewriting isn't about crafting an exact duplicate of the original article. The spotlight is on comprehending the fundamental idea of the piece, and then restyling it in a manner that best aligns with your writing style. This is an opportunity for you to liberally employ your inventiveness, broaden your vocabulary horizons, and apply your understanding of the subject to tailor the article to your voice. You may now find yourself thinking, how can I an article without inadvertently plagiarizing? Such a quandary merits addressing. There are two primary strategies at your disposal. The first, manual rewriting, necessitates a thorough reading of the original piece, grasping its core message, and then rewriting an article that encapsulates the same information but does it distinctly. This is your chance to let your creativity and vocabulary take center stage. Your objective should be to fashion an engaging and innovative piece that delivers valuable insights to your readers. The second strategy involves using a tool like spinbot.com for your rewrite process. This tool can be essential for your rewriting efforts by proposing alternative synonyms and rephrasing sentences. However, it's imperative to meticulously review and amend the rewritten content to guarantee it's logically sound and retains the original message. Once your article has been competently rewritten and refined, the final step is to disseminate it and commence the process of monetization. There are a multitude of platforms such as your personal blog, Medium, or even social media platforms amenable to long-form content where you can disseminate your articles. The primary consideration here is to opt for a platform that resonates with your target audience and enjoys a high level of interaction. The beauty of this endeavor lies in the fact that with practice comes proficiency. The more you engage with rewriting, more adept you are likely to become. And as your mastery grows, so too does your potential for profitability. So start your journey today and unlock a world of opportunities with Google News and your writing skills. To help you get started on the right foot, here are some tips and tricks. As you embark on this journey of rewriting Google News articles, you'll find the initial challenge is in identifying the right articles for you to work with. It's not merely about selecting the recent or the most popular. Rather, it's about identifying those articles that echo with your unique writing style and the specific readership demographic you wish to engage with. This is the first crucial step towards perfecting your rewriting craft. Once you've honed in on the right kind of articles, the next phase is to focus on improving your writing skills. In order to do this effectively, you must make practice a daily routine. When it comes to writing, there is no alternative to consistent practice. It's important to not shy away from more complex articles. They act as your best teachers, pushing you to expand your language and improve your understanding. The implementation of tools like Grammarly can prove to be invaluable to your writing process. These tools can assist you in editing your work, providing essential feedback on your language proficiency and helping you learn from your mistakes. The more you write and edit, the better your writing skills become, letting you churn out polished, professional articles every time. Maximizing earnings from this venture requires intelligent strategizing. Firstly, always ensure your rewrites are unique and provide fresh insights, which not only amplifies your chances of being picked by Google News, but also makes your articles more engaging for readers. Secondly, consider implementing SEO techniques. This involves meticulous selection of keywords and strategic placement within your articles. SEO optimization amplify your visibility on search engines, potentially leading to a significant boost in your earnings. Thirdly, never underestimate the power of consistency. Make writing and rewriting a daily habit. This not only enhances your writing skills, but also increases your chances of earning more. Lastly, consider leveraging tools that can streamline your work process. Tools like spinbot.com and Grammarly can provide assistance in rewriting articles swiftly. Bear in mind that the ultimate goal is to make your rewriting process as proficient and profitable as it can be. This may require exploring different methodologies, acquiring new skills, experimenting with an array of tools. With these tips and tricks, you're well on your way to making money from Google News. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to making money from Google News. In this guide, we dived into the art of rewriting and its potential in the digital world. We illustrated the process to equip you for this venture. From manual rewrites to tools like spinbot.com, we've explored diverse techniques. We stressed the value of a good editor like Grammarly in enhancing content quality. We've shared tips and tricks to streamline the process and overcome any challenges. Remember, this strategy isn't about selling, but about recontextualizing existing content on Google News to generate income, potentially up to a day. But like any venture, it requires dedication and consistent effort. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but a legitimate online revenue stream. It's a journey, not a race. Are you ready to rewrite your path to success? If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Your support helps us create more content like this, and let us know you've subscribed by leaving a comment saying, "I have subscribed the channel." We love you all.